Want to keep closer track of your vehicle? We'll show you a simple solution next on Black Edition. Hey everyone, it's Layman with Black Edition. Knowing your vehicle's location and status is obviously very important to most of us, but especially for the parents of new teenage drivers. So if you have a kid who drives or is about to, you're going to want to pay very close attention to this, the Viper Connect, the easiest way to monitor your vehicle from your smartphone. Viper designed the Connect to be a plug-and-play way to provide a standalone GPS to deliver vehicle location, monitoring, and alerts. As you can see, there's not much to the unit itself, just a small square that plugs directly into your vehicle's OBD2 port. There are 3 LEDs to indicate connection to a cellular network, GPS system, and Bluetooth if paired with a Viper DS4. You can pair the Connect with the DS4 if you want to add vehicle status, remote start, and locking features. Once the unit is plugged in, you will need to download the free Viper app to your smartphone or tablet. Once connected, you can get on-demand location, location sharing, and integration with Google and Apple Maps to get directions to your vehicle. So if you're like me, you'll never lose your car in a mall parking lot again. There are several alerts you can have sent directly to your smartphone via text, email, or push notifications. The most popular feature, especially for parents, is the speed alert. Once you set a maximum speed, the Viper Connect will alert your phone if the vehicle exceeds that limit. A great security feature is the lockdown alert. This will send you notification anytime the vehicle moves from its parked location. The battery alert is a simple but convenient feature. This will send you a notification if your vehicle's battery is getting low. This is particularly great if you live in a cold climate and worry about your car being able to start when you get there. And finally, there's the SmartFence alerts. This feature is really directed at parents. What SmartFence does is allow you to create boundaries on the GPS map, and you can receive notifications anytime your vehicle enters or exits that boundary. The Viper Connect is an easy and accurate way to keep track of your vehicle's location. It's ideal for anyone who lives in a big city and almost a necessity for new drivers. If you're interested in the Connect for your car or truck, make sure you go to our website, blackedition.cc.